Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the intelligent person should know what are the different situations, different life. They do not know. The other day, our Dr. Samudra was speaking that whatever scientific improvement or educational improvement they have made, two things are wanting. They do not know what are these different planets in the sky. They do not. They are simply imagining. They are trying to go to this moon planet, Mars planet. That is also not possible. Even if you go on a two planets, there are millions of planets. What do you know about it? There is no knowledge. And another knowledge, they do not know what is the problems of life. Two things they are lacking. And we are dealing with these two things. The problem of life is that we are bereft, we are away from Krishna consciousness, that we are suffering. If we take to Krishna consciousness, then the whole problem is solved. And so far, planetary system is considered. So Krishna is giving the opportunity, wherever you like you can go. But the intelligent person will select Madjadino pi janti ma. Those who are Krishna conscious, they come to me. So what is the difference between these two? Even if I go to the moon planet or Mars planet or is Brahma Loka, Krishna says, Abrahma bhavana lokan punaravartin Arjuna. You can go to the Brahma Loka, but khine punne puno matta lokam visanti. You'll have to come back again. And Krishna also says, Jadagatyana nivartanti tadhamam paramam madjavino pijanti ma. So you have got this opportunity, Krishna consciousness. Everything is explained in the Bhagavad Gita, what is what. Do not lose this opportunity. Do not be foolish, misled by so-called scientists or philosophers or politicians. Take to Krishna consciousness. And that is possible only Guru Krishna Kripa. By the mercy of Guru and by the mercy of Krishna, you can achieve all success. This is its secret. Jasya devi para bhakti jatha devi tatha guru tasyaite patita yartha prakashanti. So, this Guru Puja which we are doing, it is not self-aggrandizement, it is real teaching. You sing daily. What is that? Guru Mukha Padma Vakka. Arana kariyo mat. Bas, this is what. I tell you, practically, whatever little success is there in this Krishna consciousness moment, I simply believe what was spoken by my Guru Maharaj. You also continue that. Then every success will come. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,